Notice something? No screws in the for the body. And no glue used either. Acrylic core handle, Robert Eggerly Damascus bolster, ammonite garnet, inlaid in a thumb stud. Thumb stud is titanium. Backspace is Damascus. Touch of file work on the end. We got titanium liners. Blade is well centered. I'll cut out for where your thumb goes in. My folders typically break at about 1.5 pounds to open them. And nicely close. You can't flick them open. I'm looking at an over length of 192 mil. Blade length is 85. Close length is 113 mil. And it comes in about 137 grams. Comes with the crocodile leather sheet. The sheet is fully hand stitched, lined with ultra suede. Helps protect the carbon Damascus, snap closure, and belt loop. So you can find high resolution images of the folder on my website, hustlinger-knives.com. Thanks for watching.